Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Christmas Deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have some 10-inch mesh. You can also use 6-inch mesh if you choose to do so. I have the larger 18-inch wreath ring, some Chanel stems, scissors, and a rotary cutter. All right, let's get started. I have cut my stems in half, and like I said, there are many methods you can use to place your mesh. I will link different videos that I have done in the description box down below so you can see which method you prefer most. But for this specific wreath, I'm going to take my half of a stem and I'm going to place it around the outer 2 rings and twist it a couple of times, just like that. And then the next stem will go on the inner 2 rings and twist it. You can place your bundles only on the center ring all the way around. I've done that method as well. It just depends on what you prefer. And sometimes I make the bundles and attach the stem to the actual bundle before placing it on my wreath ring. So again, whatever method works best for you, I say go with it. They all come out so cute and adorable. So I'm going to just get all of my stems in place, and then we'll start adding our mesh bundles to each stem. Alright, so I have all of my stems in place. Now we're going to add our mesh. Alright, so I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. You can go with longer pieces, shorter pieces, whatever you prefer. So now that all of my mesh is cut, I'm going to start placing it on my wreath ring. And this is, the 10-inch mesh as opposed to the 6-inch mesh. And you can go horizontally or vertically. I'm just going to stick with the vertical. I like to overlap them halfway. So the last piece will go on the left. If you want to go with 4 pieces and left, right, you can definitely do that as well. Now we're going to scrunch, 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 just like that. Pick a stem, place our bundle, and twist it, and then tuck it away. Okay, so we'll do that again. And going with the left, right, method. Scrunch, 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 scrunch. Place it in the next stem. And twist it a couple of times. I like to go with half a stem so that I don't have much mesh that I have to tuck away. But if you want to go with the full stem, you can do that as well. Alright, and you tuck it away and then you kind of flare out your mesh a little bit. But we're not going to do too much until we have all of the bundles in place. I think 2 bundles in each section will be more than enough, but if I finish the wreath and I want more, I can always kind of push it aside and add in another bundle. So that's a good thing. You're not stuck with whatever decision you make. You can always adjust it once you finish the wreath, and if you see something that you want to add, you can do that as well. Alright. For now, we're going to continue getting our bundles in place. All right, it's looking so cute and precious, so adorable. Again, go with more mesh, less mesh, whatever you prefer. You can add in any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add in some ornaments or cute little presents or snowmen, whatever you prefer. The possibilities are endless. You can also add an adorable sign to the center. I like to do that sometimes, but sometimes I like to just have the wreath by itself because it's so cute and precious. I also have some 2.5-inch ribbon I'm going to use to make an adorable bow. And I have more in-depth videos I will link in the description box down below on how to make bows, but this is just a quick and easy method that I like to use sometimes. And I'm actually going to double up on it, just like this. The smaller bow in front of the larger bow, the two bows together, the stem, and twist it together nice and tight a couple of times. You can stack 3 bows if you choose to do so, whatever you prefer. Now we're just going to add it to our wreath. And I'll try to find like a cross ring so that it'll be a little more secure. And twist, twist, twist a couple of times and tuck it away. Flare out your bow, make sure everything looks nice. You are all done. So cute, precious, and simple to make.